Hey everyone, this is Soumya. Welcome back to another new vlog. Today's 24th. It's 5 p.m. right now, and I think this is the first birthday vlog on my channel. I'm throwing a small party at my place. I have made some food and there's some wine for tonight. So that's the plan, and because it's lockdown here, we are not supposed to gather in large numbers. I've called a few of my really close friends. We're gonna be around 10 people in the house. We're gonna have food and just chill and have fun. And yeah, now I'm gonna go get ready. I've already made the food in the morning. I couldn't really sleep last night because I had to cook, so I woke up early. I finished cooking, I finished cleaning, so everything is done. I just have to start getting ready. I'm just getting ready because I want to take pictures, and also I'll be getting calls around 7:30 because it's gonna be 12 in India. So that's the plan. Let's just go and get ready. So this is what I've made for dinner. This is chicken curry, and this is aloo curry, and this is the fried rice. So consider this to be the birthday glow up. I'm gonna start doing my hair first because this takes the maximum time. So what I usually do these days is I straighten my hair until here and then just give a curl at the end. I do it with my straightener. I've also got two curlers which I don't use because curlers it's very difficult to use, and it also makes hair really frizzy, and once you comb the hair, comb the curls, they look horrible. So I better do it with the straightener. So what I do is I'll just section my hair. I'll take this much hair and straighten it until here, and then I'm just gonna give a outward curl. Yep. So this is how the curl looks. So I'll just section and start doing it. So this is how it looks like. I have to give these soft curls at the ends. I'm not liking the straight hair. So I'm gonna shave my face now. So yeah, I'll just pin my hair and start shaving. And then I'm gonna go for makeup and then outfit. So this is how I shave my face. I'll just put on some face wash and start shaving. My skin looks like it's much brighter and cleaner, and I think shaving is much easier and it's painless and it's quick and you can do it anytime. So I just shave my face. Now I'm going to start off with makeup. So I'm going to apply moisturizer. This is a cream gel which is very light and doesn't make my skin look oily. I'm going to use this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This is how the base looks like. I'm not gonna apply any eyeshadow because I want to keep this makeup look really simple. Apply my mascara. So moving on to blush, I use this Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Blusher Reloaded Coral Dream. This is such a peachy color. I love blush these days. Can you guys see the color? It's a warm pink. Yep. So my makeup is done and I just dressed up. So this is how my face is looking. I liked the makeup look. And this is the outfit. I'm wearing black on black, and I got this bralette top from Shein, and this bell bottom flayed pants. These are from brand called Even and Odd from Zalando. These are so comfortable, and this is of legging material, and this is the final look. So I just got calls from India. They all wished me. I really want to visit India. I'm just missing everyone there. So yeah, keeping this aside, I just feel so grateful. I don't know, like having this life. I usually don't thank my mom, or I never say that I miss her. But I just want to take this moment and tell her that I really miss everyone out there. And thank you, Amma, for giving me the kind of life I wanted. And I'm sure I'm gonna make you proud. I don't know, I'm just feeling like putting this out. I never share my personal things on here. So yeah, thank you so much. Grateful enough for everyone in my life, all my friends and family, for giving me this life, for being there when I'm emotionally need them, and never always believing in me. I just miss them. So keeping this aside, 23 and excited, I just gave myself a small gift this year. So this is a handbag from Coach. I bought this for 15,500. Yeah, 160 euros. I've paid 160 euros for this. I'm so sorry. 160 euros for this, and this was on 50% off. So this comes in a white silk bag, and there's this written Coach New York, and here is the basic black bag. I don't know, I always like black or white stuff. So this is how the bag looks, very basic, and the logo is right here, and there are these tags. And the size of this, I think this is a perfect size for me, not too big or not too small. I don't really like small bags these days because I like to carry my big wallet with other cards, and also a water bottle, which is so important. I don't like the bags that don't hold my water bottles, because water is expensive here. So this holds my water bottle and all my stuff. So it has a nice gold detailing to it, and it has a long sling, and this chotu sa, this is a handbag. I'm so sorry, I'll just put my phone on silent. So I can just hold it like this and also wear it like a sling. And inside it looks like this. It has this zipper pouch, and there are no locks or zip to this, but I think this is looks nice and very basic, and I just got this because it was on off, and I wanted to give something for my birthday this year. So yeah, this is the gift for myself for this birthday. I think investing on a good bags, you can just I know it is expensive, but you can use it for 8 to 10 years. They won't they'll be worth. So yeah, this is what I gifted myself, and I'm just ready very early. I'll click some pictures now. So yeah. Happy birthday to you. Hi guys, good morning. So I slept around 4 a.m. and I woke up around 11 o'clock. I talked to everyone, replied to messages. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I'll end it here. I have nothing planned for the day, so I have to go for grocery shopping, take rest. So my usual routine. So I have nothing to show. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.